What's going on there, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this video, as you guys saw in the thumbnail as well as the description below, we are going to be heading to install an ATM. I'm just gonna give you guys an idea of literally how this lead came across our table, how we have had the opportunity to install this ATM today. So somebody told me, Austin, if you like laundromats so bad, why don't you ever install and show it on your YouTube installing a laundromat? Well, for you hater that told me that we wouldn't install in a laundromat, well, today's install is, guess what? In a laundromat. The beautiful part about this laundromat, and here's the criteria that I like about it, is one, it is a coin laundromat. So obviously they do not have a teller, they do not have an ATM machine, they don't have something where you can just slide your card and voila, you get to use your the laundry machines. This is a coin machine, so you know, you put in $20, it gives you a bunch of freaking quarters. Well, you got to put in $20 in order to have a bunch of quarters. So this ATM, I think, is going to get used quite a bit, I'll be honest. It's in a strip mall. So this strip mall happens to be in a location where there's a lot of activity going on. There's a lot of foot traffic. You know, on average, I see this ATM getting used anywhere from 6 to 12 times a day. Where if you average that out, I don't know, let's just say a happy medium. If you averaged it out, let's just say it was $3 a day, on average $24 a day, times that by 30, around a $700 a month ATM. We actually are not paying the business owner anything. He just told me he's one of the nicest guys. Tom, I actually loved working with you if you happen to come across this video. He says, Austin, I know you guys are gonna make some good money on this thing, but honestly, I don't even care about getting paid. And again, the reason he didn't care about getting paid is because of the service that we said we were gonna provide. And just the reassurance and understanding that, hey, this is not gonna be an added stress into your life. We're gonna install this ATM, and this ATM you're not gonna have to worry about. Your customers are not gonna have to worry about. If they have any questions, they can call the number at the bottom, but you literally don't have to worry about it. And so obviously with that reassurance, he's excited and fired up. So, you know, he literally is just gonna allow us to make 100% of the surcharge on this particular ATM. Knowing the demand on it, we'll probably charge $3.50. So let's just do $3.50 times 8 a day times 30. So, you know, it'll be around an $800 a month ATM, assuming that all my ducks are in a row, which I think they are. That's what today's video is gonna be about. We're gonna be installing an ATM. The beautiful part about it is I don't have to put it in the back of the Prius anymore. We actually have installers that literally go install the ATM. All I have to do is go there, program it, load it, and then walk away. Stay tuned for the very end of this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure and go smash that like button. Make sure and go subscribe to your boy. We are growing massively. You guys' support is absolutely insane. If you guys want us to continue to provide these videos, drop in the comment section below. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. We're gonna hop in the brew. Cody V got me saying that. And we're gonna head to this install, so we'll see you guys there. All right, guys, so we are headed to the ATM install right now. We got Kay Lewis in the house. Hey, Lou, show yourself. She's not stoked, guys. Say what up, sis. Here. There we go. Guys? Oh, there we go. Let me see this thing.
Oh, you're gonna vlog?
I'm gonna vlog here for a sec.
Please watch the road, though. All
right, guys. Sorry about the lighting. So we're headed to this ATM install right now. Whoops, sorry I hit you. Again, the beautiful part about our installs nowadays is we actually literally do not install. I have guys headed there already. They've already dropped the machine off. That way I don't personally have to do it. It saves me a lot of time. So all I gotta do is just finalize the master keys and things like that. Now, here I'll give you guys a little hack. For those of you that are like, man, I want to program my machine or learn how to do it, don't get me wrong, programming a machine is fun. If you mess up keys and everything, it takes you about 30 to 45 minutes. Where my hack for you guys is use a USB thumb drive. A USB thumb drive, once you program the machine, you can actually download that onto a USB hard drive. Therefore, you don't have to actually program the ATM machine other than putting in the master keys anymore and putting on obviously the receipt header and different things like that. So that's kind of like my hack for you guys. Use a USB thumb drive. That's what we personally use. Obviously, we don't program as much anymore. We just put in the master keys and different things like that. but our programmers use the USB thumb drive to be able to program the machine. They plug it in, make sure the safe door is open, and boom, it's done deal. I'm excited about this ATM location, honestly. It's gonna be one of my favorite locations just because I think it's gonna be such a high traffic. You know, laundromats we see anywhere from $300 to $500 a month in profit. I think this ATM location will bring in the $600 to $800 a month ATM profit. So I'm excited. I just wanted to chime in here and just share with you guys really quick that but word is they have delivered the ATM machine. They have gone ahead and installed it. All they did is throw 100 pounds of sandbags inside of it. Therefore, the ATM machine is not going to be able to get picked up by anybody. I'm going to show you guys installing the ATM. I'm going to show you guys loading the ATM, and we're going to have some fun on this ride. So stay tuned, guys. Now at this point.
Anyway, dude.
Alright guys, just got to the location. We are programming it and then gonna be loading it. This is sick. I'm gonna give him some B-roll.
What we do here is go back.
As you guys saw, that was our install. I'm gonna share with you guys on why this is such a phenomenal location, such a phenomenal area. Obviously, one, it is on a main road, which obviously, as you guys can see, all of the cars. Obviously, we're in the middle of an epidemic, and there's still a ton of cars driving by. And as you guys can see, this is literally like a strip mall. So this strip mall, I'm not sure exactly how many businesses, but this has, I mean, just off the top of my head, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 has 13 locations, 13 businesses that it's surrounded by. Just in this, across the street, there's more. So this is a really high traffic, high volume location. And no matter what, a laundromat will never shut down.
Yeah.
What's up, gangsta?
How we living?
Living good. I just loaded that new Plaza laundromat. We have another install later today because I'm just gonna go install this ATM today too. So that way it's done. This client's happy. We're on. You know what I mean? Keep moving forward. That's what my status is. All right, guys. So that was a successful install. As you guys can see, you know, it just changes the game when you have installers. Like, it makes it that much easier, that much faster, that much simpler. Like, all I had to go do was program the machine with master keys, which literally takes 2 seconds, which obviously I'm not going to show you guys programming because it's the master keys. 2, I loaded the ATM. As you guys saw. 3, I programmed the machine to say, hey, I have X amount of bills in the machine so that the machine knows that it's got money so that people can take out money. The only thing that these guys forgot was receipt paper, so they're gonna be going back and getting receipt paper as well. That is crucial. Do not forget to have receipt paper for multiple different reasons. If something's wrong with the ATM and you do the receipt paper, you can actually see on the receipt paper what the issue is with the ATM. Let's say it's a bill jam, or it's not connecting to the host, it's not connected to Wi-Fi, some programming is wrong, you have wrong keys and stuff like that. So make sure and always remember receipt paper. Receipt paper is crucial in this ATM business, and it allows customers to get a receipt. For whatever reason, customers love to get a receipt. Me personally, I throw away every receipt. We're headed back to the office right now. Hopefully you guys got value in this video. If you haven't already, make sure and share it on your story. Make sure and share it with your friend. Show them an ATM install. And I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. So if you guys haven't already, make sure and go smash that like button. Make sure and go drop in the comment section below what you guys would like to see in future videos. And if you haven't already, make sure and go subscribe to your boy. We are gaining subs on a daily at an insane rate. If you are new to the channel, I just want to welcome you. I want to thank you. And hopefully I've earned your guys' subscribe. So again, each of us is one of us is all of us. I said that backwards, but we're all going to go do this dang thing. So I'll see you guys in a future video.